What is foreclosure and what can you do about it? The information provided in this video is intended to be for general information only and should not be regarded as legal advice. You should not take any action based on any information in this video unless you first talk with a HUD-certified housing counselor or an attorney. This video is presented by the New Mexico Attorney General's Homeownership Preservation Program, a resource for New Mexico homeowners struggling with their mortgage or facing foreclosure. Foreclosure is a legal court process. In order to purchase a house, you go to a bank for a loan called a mortgage. In the mortgage, you promise to repay the bank the amount borrowed plus interest over a period of time. If these mortgage payments aren't made, then the homeowner has defaulted. The legal process of foreclosure is started when a bank files a foreclosure complaint in a court of law asking the judge to have the house sold to repay the loan. Foreclosure is frightening for any homeowner facing it, but you do have options no matter what stage of the process you may be in. Even if you miss or are having trouble making payments, you may be able to avoid foreclosure. If you miss a mortgage payment, then you are in default, but that does not mean that you are in foreclosure or will lose your home. The foreclosure process does not start until the bank files a foreclosure complaint in district court. You will know if there's a foreclosure case against you because the bank must give you a copy of the court papers. After court hearings or a trial, the court decides whether the homeowner will be able to keep their house. In a judicial foreclosure, first the bank files a complaint in court. Then the homeowner receives a summons and copy of the complaint. After that, the homeowner must file a response within 30 days from the day the homeowner received the summons and complaint.
The response can be very complicated. If you can at all, get an attorney. That's the best advice I can give you. Also, if you can't afford an attorney, you can call our hotline and see if you qualify for our free legal services. Either way, you should get legal advice.
Even if you received court papers, you still have options, so don't ignore the court documents. Within 30 days from receipt of the court documents, you must file an answer. In an answer, the homeowner agrees or disagrees with each paragraph that was in the complaint. The answer must be filed in the same district court as the complaint was filed. At the top of the summons and complaint, it will say the county and court in which it was filed.
Some courts have special offices to help people who cannot afford an attorney. You might call your courthouse and see if that service exists. But again, writing an answer can be very, very complicated. So if you can, get a lawyer. If you can't afford a lawyer, then call our hotline office number and see if you qualify for free legal services.
Don't wait. It may not be too late. Call today. Negotiate with your bank to work out an alternative to foreclosure. Ask your bank for a loss mitigation application. Our free housing counselors can help you work with your bank. If you are struggling with your mortgage payments or are facing foreclosure, don't give up. Call us for help. We have HUD-approved housing counselors who never charge for their services. Our housing counselors or our attorneys can answer questions about the legal process and direct homeowners to materials to represent themselves or help homeowners find out if they qualify for our free legal assistance. Call our hotline and visit our website today to learn more about how we may be able to help you keep your home, New Mexico.